Our last day of diving was the Draw Wall and Santa Rosa Shallows. Had a great time at both those dives. Saw large turtles, big nurse sharks. Saw a couple black tips during the week. That's the first time I've seen black tips in Cozumel. It was great. The Cozumel reefs never disappoint. A week has came and gone very quickly. We'll be heading out tomorrow. Got all our gear drying and gonna pack it up later. We got back very late today. Right now it's 3:30 in the afternoon. Still haven't had lunch, so I'm gonna go grab something to eat. Yeah, more later. Cozumel Marine World was just across the street from Casa del Mar. Mario, who was our dive master, and the rest of the crew did an awesome job taking care of us, treated us like family, and got us all back safe. Around the Casa del Mar, here's where we have our dinner every night, so got the mermaid looking scuba guys up top. Got some compadres over there.
Did you happen to pick up my loft off that?
I put it over at your stuff.
Thank you. I figured you must have grabbed it. Thank you.
Your cold spotter.
We had a meal plan on this trip. Anything that was extra was actually listed on the sheet they provided at check-in. Had different menus for dinner and lunch, and at lunch the ceviche was there. It was awesome. Dinner, a lot of people liked the wings as an appetizer. Everything was very good. We're staying at Casa del Mar.
Augustina, 2 ocean dives. What's your thoughts?
Tired, but I'm awesome. Cesar. The cast of characters will be coming up shortly. From left to right, Mario our dive master, Gabe, Jim, Nikki, Wayne, Don, and myself. We also had a young lady on the boat from Mexico City, a couple from New Zealand, another guy from New Zealand who now resides in Canada, and a couple that was interesting to listen to from Manitoba. We all had a great time and enjoyed the dives. This turned out to be a great trip. Awesome diving, beautiful sunsets, and fantastic people. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe so you don't miss anything we have coming up in the future. Thanks for watching.